Hello, class 12th. Today we are going to deal with ecological pyramids. An ecological pyramid is a graphic representation of the relationship between the different living organisms at different trophic levels. It is given by Evelyn Hutchinson and Raymond Linderman. It can be observed that these pyramids are in the shape of actual pyramids, with the bases being the bestest, which is covered by the lowest trophic level, that is primary producers, followed by primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, and the top consumers if the number of food chain is more. The number of the pyramid in general in the terrestrial area, you will see that it is upright. This type of the pyramid of numbers is generally upright except for some situation like that of certain detritus food chain where many organisms feed on one dead plant or animals. In the nature generally, in the terrestrial level and in the aquatic one also, the number of producers is always larger than that of the herbivores, then the carnivores, and the minimum number goes to the top level. While this is similar in case of the plants or aquatic animals, no. If we are dealing with the pyramid of the biomass, then in the terrestrial part we will see that it is upright, having the more number of the grasses, and actually the plants in case of the terrestrial includes the tree also, which are having a very high biomass, while in case of the aquatic one, the phytoplanktons, they will never have large trees or the bushes or the shrubs. Therefore, in terrestrial region, the pyramid of the biomass is always upright, while it is called inverted in case of the aquatic one, due to which the number of the fishes is always have higher biomass. The energy, as you know, flows from producers to the tertiary consumers. It is unidirectional and follows a law of 10%. Because of that, producers always occupy with the highest amount of the energy and getting the lowest mode portion, which is the biggest one, while only 10% energy is being passed to the primary consumers, then 10% to the secondary and tertiary consumers. Whether it is in case of terrestrial one or in case of the aquatic, it will remain upwarded. In the different situation, the pyramids changes, like pyramid of number in case of terrestrial can be upright or inverted or in a spindle shaped also. For example, if only one banyan tree is there, the one banyan canopy will help only one producer. It is number wise, it is only one producer, but it is helping a large number of organisms to live in that. The number of insects will be more in comparison to the small birds than to the larger birds. So, depending upon the circumstances and the environmental conditions, the pyramids can be upright or inverted. There are limitations of the ecological pyramids. More than one species is not getting place. In the food web, they are having the different trophic level, but in the pyramid, they can occupy only one. There is no place for saprophytes. There is no place for decomposers. These pyramids are applicable only to the simple food chains which generally do not occur in the nature. These pyramids do not deliver any concept in relation to variations in seasons and climates, and they are not giving any place to the omnivores also.